Hi, welcome to Adventure RV Group here in Napa. Today I want to talk about stabilization and touch on a little bit of leveling. First thing you want to do when you before you unhitch your trailer is make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. You're going to wheel chock in front of and behind your wheel so that when you unload that from your truck, it's not going to roll back or front. And then what you want to do is get some sort of level. We have a pretty fancy one. It can also be one of those little square ones that you throw in here. I keep one in my trailer at all times. And this is going to help us see where we need to go backwards or forwards for leveling out the trailer with the front tongue jack. So come up to the front of your trailer, and I saw that our trailer needed a little bit of lifting up in the front tongue to make it level. So we're going to bring that up. We're going to go check our level. Keep going higher. Oh, I've got a second set of eyes. That's one of the best things you can have while setting up camp. Keep going. Tell me when. Oh, we're still going up. We're on a slight downgrade. You can barely tell here, but when you're out in the wilderness, it can be pretty severe in the slant that you're on. And we're going. Okay, that's it, gentlemen. Okay, and then, now what I like to do for my stabilizers is I actually like to put leveling blocks underneath these as well. It makes me have to go less of a distance before overextending your stabilizer jack. So your trailer is going to come with this handy dandy hand crank, but when you get out camping more, you're going to want a little fast action. Oh, yes. So I like to actually use these so that we don't overextend your stabilizer jack. And see how this is not fully extended. It's at a beautiful 45-degree angle. So that's touching down on the ground. I'm going to proceed to go back to the one back here, around to the other right side, and then over to the driver's side as well. And then I'm going to do another loop to check that they're all touching the ground nice and firm. The key is to not lift your trailer up. These are not strong enough to support you guys running around in here without bending if you're actually lifting the trailer up. They're meant to keep the trailer from rocking and rolling. And the other thing I want to touch on. So this is going to level your trailer from backwards to forwards, from front to back with the tongue jack and these are stabilizer jacks. The other side of things is going to be if you need to level your trailer out left to right. If that's the case, what you're going to do is you're going to come back here and say it's this side that needs to be lifted up 1 inch. What we're going to do is we're actually going to wheel chock the other side. I like to pinpoint where we want to be in the campground. And if we need 1 inch on one of the sides, this is 1 inch, essentially. You're going to park that right underneath there. And while the trailer is still attached to the truck, you're going to tell the driver to pull forward. And as soon as you're setting right on the top, yell stop, and that's going to give you 1 inch, either, depending on which side needs to be leveled out. We'll have a more in-depth leveling video soon, but for now that should get you onto those KOAs and campgrounds that have a pretty level area. Like and share.